Okay, today we're gonna walk around a property that I did a video on a couple months back when it had all its trash in it before the bank trashed the property out. Today I'm gonna do a walkthrough after. This property's been sitting on the market for probably about 2 weeks now, and we've had 0 offers and probably only 2 showings. And I'm gonna talk and give you reasons why. And this is an example of what happens when a bank overpriced their listing by a minimum of 20K. And that's what happened on this property. So let's walk through and check it out. You can't really tell anything from the outside because nothing's really changed. They didn't make any repairs or fix anything. But at least now you can see that all the junk and debris is gone, but now you can fully appreciate how much of a fixer-upper this really is. But one of the nice advantages that this house has, it does have a formal dining room, which could be used for an office, something else. But your kitchen's gonna need all new appliances. It's gonna need new countertops. Cabinets look to be in good shape, probably need to be sanded and painted, or the whole thing could be gutted. So here's your inside of the laundry room. It's unfinished. The back door to your backyard. Your laundry and dryer hookup. You got an electric hot water tank. And this is the old garage conversion right here. So they made this into a bedroom. It does have a closet. It could also be used as an office, something else, but it makes this house a 4-bedroom. Okay, so if you didn't watch my original video when the house was fully junky and had, before it had been trashed out, you would know the house is going to need a roof and really a really good pressure washing job. But you can see back here on the roof that it's got some pretty bad curling shingles. I imagine the life expectancy is going to be 0. So the roof needs to be budgeted. You do have some wood rot, but not a whole lot. But most around the door jambs. Okay. So here's the back part of the house with the bedrooms. You've got a bedroom right here. And all these rooms need carpet and paint. I mean, the flooring's a must. I'll come back to that bathroom here in a second. So here's your second bedroom. And here's your master. Carpet's got some pretty heavy stains in it, but like I said, all the flooring's got to be redone in this house. It's trashed, nasty. And here's your master bathroom. I mean, this could be really redone and made nice, but you got to get rid of that carpet. That's ridiculous. You got vinyl everywhere, so the shower tub here is going to need some work. Some major cleaning. Okay, so here's our guest bath. About the same deal here. You're gonna need flooring, a little bit of updates. Got a tiny little toilet. Really, that's about it. So there's a big difference the way it looks after it's been trashed out, even though this one is a total fixer-upper. But this is just another good example of how the foreclosure REO pricing gets all screwball and gets messed up. Unfortunately, this one's been about 20,000 K overpriced in my opinion. Do have some wood rot on some of these little posts, but I mean that's all little stuff. So what happens when an REO gets overpriced? What sits there? This one's had probably 2 showings, and of course the comments are it's just way overpriced for the amount of work it needs. Now here's something that a lot of people struggle with, and it's really looking past this and what is the value once it's rehabbed and fixed up. And this house is probably worth about 120, 125,000 if it was all just jam up. So there's 30,000 in the 92 it's listed at right now. But that's not near enough for an investor. And even an owner occupant, you're going to put every bit of that in there. So you're not going to have really any equity probably when you get finished with it. So it's overpriced for its current condition and its location. Well, let me show you the other really big problem with this property.